YouTube in Infinity Craft. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can make YouTube in Infinity Craft. So to make YouTube in Infinity Craft, you have to go and open up your Google Chrome and log into your Infinity Craft here. Here you have to open up your Infinity Craft on your PC. After that, here you have to make the YouTube in your Infinity Craft. First of all, you have to add a fire in your Infinity Craft. Then after that, you have to add a water here. So fire plus water is equal to steam. Then on the steam you have to put fire, which will create the engine here. And then you have to put the steam here and then put the steam and engine to it will create train. After that again you have to add a fire here and then you have to put the engine here. And again on the engine you have to put the so here you have to put the engine on engine, then it will form rocket and you have to merge it with your train and then it will make the bullet train. So here you have to go and set your fire here. Then again you have to add rocket here and then again you have to add rocket. Then it will form satellite and you have to merge your satellite and bullet train here. It will create the internet. And after that you have to add fire here. Once you have added the fire, you have to add the earth and merge with fire, and it will create lava. So here you have to put your water, and it will create your stain. It will create the stone, and then again, and here you have to go for the steam option, and you have to put your steam here, and you have to merge that steam with your stone. So which will make these. So here you have to combine your internet and teacher here and go for that. So here you can see that you have successfully made the YouTube in your Infinity Craft. So with the help of this process, you can easily make the YouTube in your Infinity Craft. So that's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.